Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make goofy pizza. First, gather your most imaginative and unusual toppings. Think outside the box for a truly unique flavor adventure. Next, prepare your pizza dough. A store-bought crust works perfectly, or you can use your favorite homemade recipe. Finally, preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring it's ready for baking. Now for the fun part, choosing your goofy toppings. Don't be afraid to mix sweet with savory, like pineapple and ham, or even add some surprising elements like potato chips. Spread a thin layer of your preferred sauce, leaving about a 1-inch border for the crust. Then, arrange your chosen toppings creatively over the sauce. Once your goofy pizza is assembled, carefully transfer it to your preheated oven. Bake for approximately 12 to 15 minutes, or until the crust turns a beautiful golden brown and the cheese is bubbly and melted. Keep an eye on it to prevent overcooking. After baking, let it cool for about 5 minutes before slicing. Your goofy pizza is now ready to enjoy. Gather your friends and family to share this wonderfully unique creation. It's a fantastic way to spark conversation and create lasting memories. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to grab some Little Trees black ice for your car, along with other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, one-of-a-kind pizza.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.